So here's your foot. Let's say you got a blister here. Then if you look at it from the side, it'll look like something like this. You have a blister here. And the important thing is that you will drain it by making a hole here and here. That means from this side and several holes on the back side, because when you walk you will press on the front and you will drain it to the back, so water will go out this way. The thing is, if you make the holes too small by only using the syringe, then these will clog. The holes will close. So if you use a small nail clipper, you could make the holes a little bigger and it's easier to drain. So this is how a blister would look. And of course you could also have it on your heel. On the heel you would actually impact on this part, and the water will go this way. I hope you won't get anything on that side. Anyway, so this is the anatomy of a blister. So so what you had is you were applying you were preventing blisters by adding extra skin, Tensoplast on this part, to prevent you from getting blisters. But the thing is, you would keep this on, but if you get a blister and you have to remove it, then some of the skin could come off, and that hurts. So there's two things you can do when you have a blister. Then what you could do is you could again drain it as much as possible, and then you can apply Compeed. Compeed is the special bandages that I told you about. So it's like a bandage that you put on. Maybe you should practice a little. But the thing is, when you have put on the bandage, you should put Tensoplast on top of it again. So you would put in here, you would put the Compeed on, and then you would put Tensoplast on again. But only if it's open. Only if you have lost skin, so the red skin is exposed. The reason why you put Tensoplast on top of it is because it's like chewing gum. It burns into your socks, and it's no good, because then you know it gets ugly. You get blisters all over the place. Okay, so that's one thing. Let's say you have a small blister, maybe on your toe. Again, if you look at here, you got your toe, and then you have a blister here. You will drain it as much as possible, and then you would put the liquid I told you about, benzoin, on it, and it's gonna hurt like hell, but it'll harden the skin and dry out the blister. But it's only for small blisters, so you drain them and put this on and put a small bandage on. And again, this is on the forefoot, right? So this is how that looks. So whenever you can use Compeed for everything, but as when you put it on, you have to cover it with Tensoplast. If you have your foot like this, and you get something here that you lose skin on your Achilles tendons here, you can use Compeed straight directly on the wound. But again, remember to cover it up with Tensoplast. Especially here, it's good to use a Compeed. So I hope that this gives you some value.